Hello guys, welcome to that coding bro. Today I want to make a video on the importance of aptitude because all the people are thinking that aptitude is a skill that will be helpful to crack an IT job or crack a government exam or crack some entrances. They are thinking up to the level of entrance, but the aptitude has its importance during our lifetime during our lifetime. Aptitude is very important. Please stay tuned for 10 minutes. Dedicate your time for approximately 10 minutes. I will give the real value of aptitude in your life with one sample question also. At last, I will give one sample question, and the your solution depicts your importance towards aptitude. Okay. Now, I want to share with you the incredible benefits of learning aptitude and how it can be a game changer in your life. Aptitude is not just another subject or a skill, it is a key that unlocks countless opportunities in various aspects of your life. Let me inspire you. Okay, first, you think that you have learned and you have covered different aspects of and different concepts like verbal, non-verbal, reasoning, logical, everything. I think you completed all those things. Now, what are the benefits? I hope everyone is interested to learn those things to crack the exam. But beyond those, what are the benefits? Now I will cover those things. Now coming to the skills which you will be grown indirectly by learning aptitude. By learning aptitude, you will not only learn aptitude, but some various skills in your brain gets developed. What are those skills? First is problem solving. Don't think the problem solving means programming. Not only programming, in life also, how to solve a problem and how efficiently we should solve a problem. You will learn those skills. Next, you will attain efficiency. Whatever the work you will do, you will try to attain efficiency. Means how to complete the work with maximum profit, like that. You will attain more efficiency, and you will complex your skills in problem solving. Means in aptitude, whatever the question you will do, what your brain thinks, how to solve the problem, how to find a way to solve the problem. Means indirectly you are developing a skill of problem solving. By that, in your life, if you got a problem like how to reach one destination, where are there are many destinations, many ways to reach the destination, which is the best one, automatically your brain goes for the best one. This is a one indirect skill which your body develops by learning aptitude. Now, what are another things? Confidence. If you solve a new problem, your body will get more happier, and it will bring a confidence that you have did a problem by your own, by your skills, by your brain power. By that, a confidence skill also will be grown directly or indirectly. And these are some internal benefits. What are some external benefits? You are open to all streams. Means you want to go for IT job, aptitude is the first criteria. You want to go for government job, many government jobs are involved with aptitude. Aptitude is very important. And you want to select your career as a teacher, means a teacher or a lecturer or a guest lecturer. Aptitude will make it possible. You can go, you can take lectures. Many people are suffering for aptitude. If you can teach well, you are the very good teacher and you can earn a lot. And as I told, you can excel in many competitive exams. And by conquering this all the skills, these five skills, you will be, if there is a crowd of some thousand people, you are out of the crowd. you are the one, you are the first person out of the crowd. How are you attaining all these things? These all the things are possible by aptitude. Aptitude making you one among the crowd. This is the importance of aptitude. Remember, learning aptitude is not just about studying for exam. It is an investment in yourself. Remember this point. It is an investment in yourself and for your great future. Embrace the journey of discovering your innate abilities, and you will find that the world has so much to offer to those who possess the power of aptitude. These are the things which I want to convey. So, be the person to learn aptitude not for the exam, for your life. And aptitude comes to you in very places, in very more places, like when you go for a shopping mall, they will give that buy to get one offer. Means if you pay for two things, two shirts, you will get one shirt as free. What is the discount? 33%. Like that. Wherever you go, and uh, insurance, how much you will get after your investment, means it is a calculation, profit or loss. Again, aptitude. When you go to the college, you want to spend your time, how to analyze the timetable, allocating the time. Again, it is decision making. By aptitude, you will gain the skill of decision making. Now, I hope I had given all the things, what are the importance and everything. Now, let me give one a twisting example, okay, which is very interesting. Now, see, you are a person, you are working in a software company or any job of your wish. Now, the boss of the company gave an offer that every employee should select one of the offer. In below, there are three conditions. Every employee should select one of the offer. This is the question. Every employee should select one of the offer. Now, see, salary means yes. Instead of writing salary every time, I wrote yes. First option is your salary will be incremented. Plus means incremented by 50%, followed by your salary will be decremented by 50%. This is first condition. First condition is your salary, yes, will be incremented, means increased by 50%, and then followed by decrement of 50%. Now, second option, your salary will be decreased by 30% of salary. Okay. Now, third option is your salary will be reduced by 10,000. Which option you will select? Think question once, pause the video, work out on a paper and select the option. Don't go for the solution blindly. If you go blindly, your brain will not work, your brain will dead. So that you stop the video and follow and you work out and select one option. I will give 10 seconds time, pause the video and you think, I will explain the solution. Okay. I hope all of you people paused the video and you worked out the solution and you have selected one option. Now I will give my answer. For example, I am person A who is earning 1 lakh. 1 lakh. Okay. Now see, first my salary will be incremented by 50%. What is the 50% of 1 lakh? 50,000. So my salary will be 1 lakh 50,000. And see, first this work is completed and followed by my salary will be decremented by 50%. Means what is half of 1 lakh 50? 75,000. So my salary will be decremented by half of the salary. So what is my final salary? 75,000. In this case, I am in loss of 75,000. Here, salary 1 lakh minus 30% of salary is 30,000. What is the net salary I will get? 60,000. Sorry, 70. Now, what is in this case? My salary is reduced of 10,000. So 1 lakh minus 10,000. I will get 90,000. Which option is better option? Every case, third option is better. If you have chosen one and two, please master the aptitude. Aptitude is very important. In nowadays, you will get offers in Swiggy like that. Wherever you go, you will get in deal of aptitude. So learn aptitude not like a skill, sorry, not like a subject. It's like a very important future of your life. Okay, I hope I cleared all of your doubts, importance, and everything. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more content like this. Okay, if you have found something interesting, comment down in comments. By that, I will know that it is helpful for you, or subscribe and share to all of your friends. If you are found something wrong or any improvement you want, suggest me in comments. I will improve in next video. Okay, thank you.